Hey y'all, so I have a chicken, no, I have a calf liver recipe. And so I was getting some comments because I had said that, and I had only repeated what a coworker had told me, that a coworker friend had told me that her husband was a heart patient, and the doctor told her to not, he was restricted from eating animal organs. And I got a lot of comments that said, hey, you may want to check that because animal organs are good for you, like liver, gizzards, and things like that. So I got some chicken gizzards here. I'm getting ready to boil them. I just put them in water and cook them down for a very long time. I'm making a little pan of dressing because I didn't like the way my dressing came out this year. I don't know, for some reason it was kind of like, I didn't like the texture. But anyway, so here is the back of the package. And I just thought about it. So let me just go ahead and share this real quick. Can y'all see? Oh, I keep forgetting that with this camera here, it's a good camera. You don't have to come all up on it. So it says it's a serving is 4 ounces. So it varies per container how many servings you'll get. So look on here where it says cholesterol. The cholesterol in 4 ounces of chicken gizzards is 200 milligrams, which is 67% of the amount that you need. So you've gotten 3/4 of the amount you need for an entire day in one serving of these chicken gizzards. So this is something I only do when I fix dressing, and I really don't do a lot of it. So remember I said the 80-20 thing. So yes, I'm going to have cornbread dressing and baked chicken tomorrow. I'm going to have giblet gravy, but I won't be eating the whole thing, right? So let's see how many. I don't know. I shouldn't have taken this off of here first. All I know is I paid $2 and something for it, and so I've torn the thing. Wait, let's see. I'm trying to see if I can find it so I can actually show y'all, because knowledge is power, especially when it comes to our health, right? Okay, so it says here, let's back it up because I don't have to bring it that close. This is, the price per pound is $1.92, and this is a pound, and it was $2. So it's a 1.04 pounds. So 4 ounces, so 1/4 of this is just about the amount of 3/4 of the amount you need. Look at this pot. This is one of those old Magnolite pots. So I need to take it, and it's clean, y'all, but I need to take it, a Brillo pad. If you take your time with a Brillo pad and stuff, to get all that off of there. That's just old built up stuff. You know how those old Magnolite pots be. But yeah, just this, 1/4 of this. What I do is, I'm going to share my giblet gravy recipe, but this is just about all the cholesterol. And see, y'all, we having to take all that different medicine for different things. That's why the food we're eating. That's why, yeah, I'm going to still eat what I want, but I'm going to have this today, and I won't have this anymore for a very long time. I just wanted to share that, y'all. Be blessed. Much love. Bye.
Work is almost over, summer's getting closer. No time to be sober, sunshine on my shoulders. I'm alive and I'm breathing, living my best life. Love is on my mind and it's making me high. I'm staying in this moment, though it's hard sometimes, but I work it out every once in a while. I feel the love, I feel it growing every day. I feel the love.